Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 1B simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Contact me for your complete course or contact me for your assignments or exam. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Please hire me for your assignments, exams, and for complete course. I will provide you A plus grade in your complete course. Okay. In today's session, we are taking Excel 1B simulation exam. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question 1 is that with A1 as the active cell, check the spellings of the worksheet, change the misspelling participant to participant. You can see here. Okay, you can see this. Okay, participant to participant, you can see this. First we will click on review tab, then we will click on spellings. Okay, then we will click on change all, select participants, then click on change, then click on OK. Spell check complete, you are good to go. You can see here question is completed now. Now moving on, next question is question number 2. Select the range M10 to O13. Leave the range selected and with M10 as the active cell. Enter the value 8 and then press enter. Okay, first we will select this range M10 to O13. You can see first we will select this range. Okay, leave the range selected with M10 as the active cell. Okay, first we will select this range M10 to O13. Okay, this range will be selected, then leave the range selected and then with M10 as the active cell enter the value 8 and then press enter. Okay, enter the value 8 in cell M10. Here is M10. Okay, this is good now. Then tab 13 in cell M11. Click on cell M11 and then we will tab 13. You can see tab 13 in cell M11. We will simply tap M11 in cell. Okay, this is M11 and then tab 13. Here is M11. You can see here is M11. Okay, then we will tap M13. Okay, then we will tap 6 in cell M12. Click on cell M12 and then we will tap 6. Click on cell M12 and then we will tap 6. Okay, then press enter. Okay, then we will click on cell M13 and then we will tap 7. Click on cell M13 and then we will tap 7. Here is tab 7. Okay, then press enter. Then we will click on cell N10 and then we will tap 10. Simply click on cell N10. Here is N10. You can see here is N10 and then we will tap 10. Okay, then press enter. Question is completed now. You can see this first question number 2 is completed. Now question number 3. In cell H5, enter a formula that multiplies the total enrolled in cell F5 by the cost per participant in cell G5. Basically, in this question, we will enter a formula in cell H5, okay, that multiplies the total enrolled in cell F5 by the cost per participant in cell G5. First, we will click on cell H5 and then we will enter a formula. Press is equal to and then enter a formula multiplying by total enrolled. Here is total enrolled multiplying by the cost per participant. Multiplying by the cost per participant. Cost per participant. Then press enter. Then we will press enter. Okay. Fill the formula in cell H5 down through cell H6 to H19. Okay, fill the formula in cell H5 down through cell H6 to H19. Okay, fill handle. Double click on here or you can scroll down through cell H19. Okay, Then format the range age 6 to age 19 using the comma style. First we will select this range and then go to the home tab in the number group, and then we will click on comma style. First we will select this range, you can see here, go to the home tab in the number group. Here is number group, click on comma style. Okay, comma style will be applied on this ranges. Here is comma style, you can see, click on comma style. Question is completed now. Next question is that use the quick analysis button. Okay, you can see, use the quick analysis button to sum the range H5 to H19 and place the result in cell H20. Basically in this question, first we will select H5 to H19. Okay, then we will use quick analysis button to the sum and then the place the result in cell H20. Okay, first we will select this range H5 to H19. Okay, then use quick analysis tools H5 to H19. Okay, select this range, then H5 to H19, then use quick analysis tools and then click on totals, then click on sum. Okay, here is total and sum. Auto fit the width of column H, select column H, then go to the home tab. Okay, select this column, go to the home tab and in the cells group click on format tab. Here is format tab and click on format tab and select auto fit with column. This is good. Now question is completed now. Now next question is question number 5. Question 5 is that in cell I5 create a formula to divide the value in cell F5 by cell F20. Set F20 as the absolute cell references in the formula. Basically in this question we will in cell I5, first we will click on cell I5 and then we will create a formula to divide the value in cell F5 by cell F20. Okay, set F20 as an absolute cell references in the formula. Okay, first we will click on cell I5, then press is equal to and then divide by F5 dividing by F20. Scroll down and then click on cell F20. Here is F20, then we will press enter. So press is equal to, sorry, click on F5 divided by F20. Okay, then we will press enter. Okay, for where is absolute we will enter dollar sign. Okay, where is given in the absolute cell references we will must enter dollar sign. Enter dollar sign, enter, then F$20, then we will press enter. Okay, copy the formula from cell I5 down through the cell I9 to I6 to I9. Okay, copy the formula cell I6 to I19. Okay, right click on this and scroll down through I19. Question is completed now. Now next question is that question number 7. Type 20 in cell C8. Click on cell C8 and then we will type 20 simply in cell C8. Click on cell C8 and then we will type 20 in cell C8. Here is cell C8, where is, okay, then we will type 20 in the formula bar. You can see here is formula bar, and then we will remove this 16, and then we will tap 20, then press enter. Now tap 9 in cell D12. Simply we will click on cell D12 and then we will tap 9. Click on cell D12 and then we will tap 9. Okay, added cell A7 by adding the text percussions after the word drums. Okay, simply click on cell A7 and then we will adding the text after the word drums. Okay, click on cell A7. Okay, now we will here after the drums we will tap slash percussion. Okay, you can see I am adding this text. Okay, then press enter. You can see this adding this text, and then we will press enter. Percussion. Okay, question is completed now. Now next question is question number 8. Format cells I5 to I9 with the person style with 2 decimal places. Basically in this question first we will enter this range. Okay, then we will format cell person style. Go to the format cells I5 to I19 with the person style with 2 decimal places. Enter, first select this cells, enter this range I5 to I9. Simply select this range, then go to the home tab in the number group. Okay, go to the home tab in the number group. Click on person style. Okay, with 2 decimal places. Here is increase decimal places. You can click 2 times on this decimal places. Center the percentage in the range I5 to I19. Okay, select this range first and then go to the alignment tab and simply center the alignment. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on, next question is question number 8. Insert a new row as row 4. In this question we will insert a new row, then we will name of this row is row 4. Sorry, my internet connection is some slow, it will be take some time. Okay, insert a new row as row 4. Click on row 4, right click on this, click on insert. Row 4 will be inserted. Now tap total participants in cell C4. We will click on cell C4. Okay, and then we will tap total participants in the formula bar, and then we will press enter, or it will be automatically entered. Okay, total participants. Okay, now merge and center the range C4 to E4. Okay, merge and center the range. Let's say this range EC4 to E4. Go to the home tab in the alignment tab. In the alignment group, click on merge and center. Okay, simply merge and center. Click on merge and center. It will be merged and centered. Okay, apply the heading 4 cell style to the range C4 to E4. You can see this. Apply the heading 4 cell style to the range C4 to E4. Simply we will select this range cell C4 to E4. Okay, select first this range, then go to the style group in the cell style, then apply heading 4 cell style is here. You can click on this. Now delete column B in the worksheet. Select column B and right click on column B and then simply delete it. Okay, delete column B in the worksheet. Simply click on column B. Okay, select column B. Right click on this, simply delete it. Column B will be deleted. Insert a new row to the left column L in the worksheet. Okay, insert a new column to the left of column L in the worksheet. Okay, now we will insert a new column in the left of column L. Click on column L, select column L, right click on this, and then we will simply insert. Column L will be inserted. You can see this. I have done 8 questions of this assignment at this exam. Okay, from the column headings area, select column F to I, then drag the right edge of column F to the right until the width indicates 11.18. Okay, from the column, basically in this question, first we will select this column. From the column heading area, select column F to I, then drag the right edge of column F. First we will select this column F to I. Okay, then we will change the width of this columns 11.88. You can see this. First I am selecting these columns, column F to I, right click on this column, simply right click on this, and then columns, then drag the right edge of F to right until the width indicates 11.88. You can see this in. Okay, this is good. Now apply wrap text to the range E5 to I5. First we will select this range. Okay, E5 to I5. Here is E5 to I5. Then go to the home tab, then go to the alignment tab, alignment group. In the wrap text, click on wrap text, apply center horizontal alignment to the range E5 to I5. First we will select this range and then go to the alignment group, then click on center horizontally alignment. Apply middle align to the range E5 to I5. First we will select this range E5 to I5 and then go to the alignment tab, then click on middle alignment. Here is middle alignment. Question is completed. You can see this. I have done 99% of this exam. For remaining question, and if you want to read for the complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python. Please hire me for your weekly quizzes, hire me for your weekly assignments, and hire me for your complete course. I am handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities and countries. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course, and if you do not ever do these exams and if you not ever do this course, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. Thank you so much. Best of luck to my all students.